Unheard testimony. The silence of the night is sometimes heard not by the ears but by the soul. In the hills of Himachal, there stood an abandoned courthouse, Raghavan Courthouse. The villagers said that trials still took place there of those who are no longer alive. Aarav, a young lawyer, was a priest of logic and truth. He found these stories to be nonsense. One night, he decided to go to the courthouse and bring the truth to light. With files in hand, a recorder in his pocket, and curiosity in his heart, he entered the dark building. As he stepped inside with the creaking of the door, he saw dust-covered benches, broken chairs, and in the center, the high chair of the judge. Suddenly, the clock's hands began to move on their own and stopped precisely at midnight. Then the sound of a gavel echoed. "Court is now in session." Aarav's ears perked up. In front of him, shapes began to form in the witness box from the mist. One by one, they stood up, a farmer, a woman, an old man. Pain of death was in their eyes. "Who are you all?" Aarav shouted. A woman stepped forward, her face marked with scars. She said, "We are those who never received justice. Our case remained incomplete, and now we testify every night." Aarav trembled, but he gathered courage to ask, "But why am I here?" The reply came, "Because you have been chosen to deliver justice." Suddenly the recorder turned on by itself, and a voice came through. "Aarav Verma, accused of murder." He was stunned. "This is a lie. I did not kill anyone." But the court presented another witness, a boy whose eyes were filled with tears of blood. He said in a trembling voice, "You are the one who hit me on the road and ran away." The ground slipped from under Aarav's feet. The incident came back to him. Years ago, while driving under the influence, he had run over a boy. The case was buried, but the truth was now in front of him. The echo from the judge's chair rang out, "Guilty as charged." The gavel's sound reverberated throughout the hall. Aarav screamed and ran outside, but the doors had vanished. The walls closed in, and only one final order echoed in the courthouse. "Now you will always be a part of our court."